Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show y'all how I kind of rejuvenate my curls. So first I wanted to give you all an update on how my TWA haircut has been going. As you can see, like, it's flat, it's like dirty, not really dirty, but just you can see the flakes from the gel. I just put the scarf on there just to get me out of bed type of thing. And I just want to show you all how I rejuvenate my curls, how I re-moisturize them from this is like a 3-day wash and go. And so I just wanted to show you all exactly what I do to refresh my curls. So this is what it looks like right now. Like, I honestly just took this scarf off and then just wrapped around my head, and it's kind of like plucked my curls out a little bit so that it won't be as flat. But this is what my hair looks like. I don't have no earrings on or nothing, so this is just straight raw. In this tutorial, y'all, like, I'm still, you know, working through. I'm still learning how to do different styles and stuff, because I mean, although your hair is not long, we can still do, you know, a little cute stuff. You know, we can still do something with it. And so yeah, so it's just looking kind of dusty and crusted and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna just show you all what I do to pluck out my curls, so, and rejuvenate them, moisturize them, make it look juicy for the day. So if you're interested in watching this video, I'll see you in the next clip. Okay. All right, so the first thing, I'm just going to show you all what I use, and this is literally all I use. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. You can go, you know, use your own choice, but I like the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Castor oil, because I found that my hair, because it's like short, and like I was always wondering why my hair was never, like, my roots was always dry, but the rest of my hair will be, you know, moisturized. And that's because, like, you know, I never really focused on my roots when I had long hair. And so so now I'm at the root, so I have no choice. So I'll be going in with my castor oil, and I got this from Walmart. And then I have a spray bottle, edge control, and this is the one that I use. And then I have a toothbrush for my edges. So I know you like, India, where's your detangler brush? Where's your brush? Where's your blah blah? Yeah, I use these, okay? My fingers. This is what I use to refreshen my curls. And that's because I like my curls to look clumpy and not spread it apart. So when I use my fingers, it's just like minimum to, like, you know, I spread them out and I just go in, and that's what I do. Okay, so I have a towel here, and it literally takes me like 5 minutes, not even that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. Woo! Look at this. So I'm gonna raise you up like this. Alright, so let's focus on the hair. Look at this. Old gel. And that's another thing, I know you all asking, like, I don't have any gel with me because I already have gel in my hair. So I don't want to keep piling up gel. Like, I just don't want to do that. So I want to use the gel that I already have in my head. And when I use the water, it kind of softens that gel back up. So the first thing I'm going to use is, let's do my oil first. So I'm going to take my castor oil, and I'm going to apply a generous amount, like that. So only y'all can see, like that. And castor oil is thick, and I'm just gonna just make sure I get in my scalp, I get on top of my hair. Just make sure that it's moisturized, as so. Alright, I'm gonna add more in a generous amount. Now I'm gonna make sure that's on my fingertips like this. I'm gonna make sure that I get everywhere. Like that. And I'm just gonna take my water bottle or my spray bottle, and I have a towel here to protect my shirt, and I'm just gonna take my hand and just finger comb my hair like that. I want to take section by section. Finger coil a little bit. You finger coil. See? Look. You can see the white stuff, but it's okay. It's gonna dry up. And I think that's all the water that I'm gonna put on my hair. But as you can see, my curls look juicy. Now, when my hair is pretty much like, you know, I put gel in it or I moisturize it and stuff, then I just go ahead and start like kind of forming my little bush. What I'm gonna do is take my edge control. I don't have no mirror, no nothing, so I don't know what this looking like, but it depends on how like I'm like styling my hair. Sometimes I don't even like baby hairs at all, but it. This is how I rejuvenate my curls. What I do to get my curls back popping, okay? Just for the next day though, like, you know, this is nothing that you, but like the thing about it is like you don't add product unless you're adding oil or moisturizer or your leave-in conditioner, but other than that, like, you don't have to add no more gel. Like, just sis, stop putting too much gel. on your hair, like, you know, because you already have product in it. I mean, some people hair, you know, need that, but I don't like to do that. So yeah, but I just want to say that, like, I've been loving my haircut. I have been, you know, just trying. I wake up like, oh, I want to try something different, but I just be scared to do it. So I'm just, you know, I just stick to the regular old wash and go for now. I did do, like, you know, you have your baby hairs in the front and kind of, I tried that. And it was cute. It was cute. I kind of wore like that for Easter. And then what else have I tried? I tried a slick back, but my hair is so thick, y'all. It's so thick. So I think I need those little strips to kind of like tie my hair down as it's drying, instead of using like a scarf or something. But other than that, you know, like, I don't know, I just been really loving it. I still feel free. I still feel like this is the best decision ever. I can just wake up, do my little quick, you know, refreshing of the curls, and I'm about my day, you know what I'm saying? So I absolutely just been loving my haircut, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And let me know what other, you know, I guess hair videos with my new natural haircut. And yeah, I love you all so much, and we out of here. Peace, love, and happiness. Good vibes only, and may God continue to bless each and every one of you. I love you, inDnation, and I'll see you all in my next hair video. Peace.